On today's menu, the most amazing vegan pho. Pho is one of my favorite dishes of all time. All you need is a good quality stock, a few ingredients, and a big bowl. King oyster mushrooms. Broccoli. Hot pan, olive oil. Mushrooms and broccoli. Season. Toasted sesame oil. Veggie stock. Turn the heat up and bring to a boil. While that's heating up, prep your bowl. Noodles. Enoki mushrooms. Now just pour in that amazing stock. Let your noodles sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Red onion. Just add a little crunch. Bean sprouts. Pho is all about flavor. You have the most amazing cilantro and Thai basil. And there you have the most amazing vegan pho.